Hello everybody, how are we all today? And welcome to the channel if you're new, and if you're old and whatever, welcome everybody. Today we're going to be doing a bang curry. I got sent this from Dan ages ago. I've only done one, that was on my live stream. But today we're going to do another one. Now you haven't seen what it is. It is, you get all them in there, look. I've only used one. There's all different ones. We're going to do a Madras today. A lovely Madras. But there's loads of different ones. I'll leave a link. I think he got it off Amazon. I'm not 100% sure. I'll leave a link to it is on Amazon, to the Amazon link if anyone's interested anyway. And they're nice and simple to make. I made one mistake last time I'd done it. But we're going to rectify that this time. So, I'll get the Madras out. It's in 3 steps. First things I'm going to do is, well, I'll open it up actually. If I can remember how to, there we go. Actually, let me show you the back first. That's what it is, look. Soak, spice it, make it yours. That's it really. Nice and simple. Last time I put the onions in the bag to soak, but you know you're supposed to take them out of the bag because I'm daft. But yeah, nice and simple, but we're making that today anyway. Bang bang curry. Madras, a fiery and bold authentic curry. 3 easy steps. 10 minutes. And I've also done, well I haven't put it on yet, I'm going to do a bit of saffron rice in my old multi-cooker. I'm just going to get that on now actually, while we're here. So first thing we're going to do then, we're getting the bowl. You've got to get your onions out. There's some onions in here. That's it. There's your onions. And there's your spice paste. Nice and simple. We want to put the onions in a bowl with 100ml of getting cold water. Nice and simple. And we'll put them out of the way for a minute over there. And we'll put the spice mix over there because we'll use that in a minute. Next, I'm going to do some more onions for myself. I've got 2 medium onions here on either knife. And I'm just going to cut some. Is anyone having problems with their onions? I got these today and they're soft and everything. They're rubbish, man. They really are. What we're going to do, we're going to cut them into little chunks. Do like an onion in my old curries. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I do. Done. On to the chicken. Put the curries over there out of the way. I've got 3 chicken breasts. Get a bottle, put that there a minute actually while I show you. I'll just show you the one. Knife wipe. Get a chicken breast. I'm going to butterfly mine. I've took the old chicken fillets off. I'll just use them as well. I'm going to butterfly it just because it cooks quicker then. You know, you don't have to, but I am. And then we just chop it up to bite sizes, that's all. Nice and simple. And I'll do all of them. And the last bit, there we go, done. Right, we will go over to this, the cooker and we'll start cooking. Okay, my pan's warming up. I'm going to cook a bit of oil. I'm going to cook my onions first, just to start getting them a little bit soft, because they're a bit bigger. So you can always put your veg in if you want veg. You want to put no veg in, it's just going to be chicken and onion. Oops, keep knocking the camera. And we'll give that probably a minute or 2. That's off there, look. Come here. Come here. Right. Okay, onto the paste now, what them onions are doing. 50ml of water and your paste. Pour it in. Give it a mix. Now I found last time I done it, it wasn't very juicy, not juicy, any liquid in there much. So I'm putting a tin of tomatoes in mine. Okay, that's done. I'll get my other onions in now. There they are. And we're going to fry that for 1 minute. And we'll get a little bit of salt on the old chicken, just to taste. And now we'll get the spicy paste in. We'll get the paste in now. And you want to fry that gently for a few minutes until you see all the spices coming out and everything. Okay guys, it's been about 4 minutes. Now I'm going to get my chicken in. And we're going to get that coated. All coated over. It smells absolutely delicious, you know. It really does. Now, yes, you could have fried your chicken first, I suppose, if you wanted to. Or marinate yourself some chicken. Then it's going to be 100 times better, isn't it? Right, now I'm going to stick in a tin of chopped tomatoes. Then it says add up to 100 ml of water. And then simmer until the meat's cooked. So, put it in the old thing there, like that, 100 ml. We get a simmer. And by the time it simmers down a bit, it should thicken up then. Lid on. And simmer away. Okay guys, we are done. And there is the delicious curry, look. Oh yes. Right, let's dish some up. Look at that. Oh yes. Lovely Madras there. And let's have some. Put that there like that. Side of saffron rice, look. On the side there. And mustn't forget the good old naan bread. Any naan bread that you like will do. That's hot. Right, let's get to the table and let's have some. So, there we go. And that's been cooking for about 5 minutes. It's been taking me ages to set up. Any bub. Mine's probably freezing cold now. Yeah, so is it spicy?
Yep.
It is spicy.
Yep. Not as bad as the last one though.
Not as bad as the last one. Let's have a go.
No. But I've got a kick.
Yeah, it's got a nice little kick though, isn't it? It's not too much, is it? Do you think?
I'm not sure. I like it.
Don't know if it's too spicy for you. That don't seem too bad to me, to be honest with you. I have to have mine on my rice anyway, so.
Yeah, but you like yours spicy. I think they have spicy curries anyway, aren't they?
Eh?
They're spicy curries.
They're spicy curries anyway, they bring it down a bit. You can see.
And I have to have one separate.
It's got a bit better of a sauce there, put that tomato in, because it was a bit dry last time, weren't it?
Oh yeah. Oh, you put tomato in
You
it?
put tomato, chopped tomatoes in it. You know what I mean? What do you think of the jasmine rice? Haven't you tried it yet?
Yeah, I've tried the rice.
Not jasmine, saffron rice.
Oh, is that what it is? I thought I recognised it. Yeah, the rice is nice.
That's okay.
Nothing wrong with the rice. The rice is nice. Nothing wrong with the curry. The
Nothing
curry's
wrong
nice.
with it. Just a bit. It is.
It's
I have got a little bit of a kick,
yeah.
but it is a Madras, so I don't know, and we do like these. You've seen these loads of times on the channel, haven't you? From Aldi.
I like headlines.
2 for about 140, 49, I think they are. Something. They go up and down all the time, so. That's still got a pizza there, look. I've ate all mine.
I've only got one slice
I
left.
got one slice left.
Yep.
And she's having a beer. Once she's at it.
I was helping wash this spicy down. Helping wash the spicy down.
To wash the spicy down. There you go, guys. Bang curry. It is nice. It's really nice and it's simple. I would add fluid, tins of tomatoes, because otherwise it is far too dry. And put your veg in whatever you like. You know what I mean? That's just a basic one. Nice and simple. Takes about, with doing the chicken, about 20 minutes altogether. So it ain't bad. As I say, I am the old food guy. Gonna go and eat it now because it is going a little bit cold, which I do like cold food, but not too cold when it's my tea. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.